Hi guys, welcome to our channel. In today's video, I'll be teaching you how to set up your Binance app. So let's dive in, guys. Step 1, click on the Binance app. Click on either I'm new to crypto if you are new to crypto, and I'm a crypto pro if you are a pro in crypto. So I'm new in crypto, I'll be clicking on I'm new to crypto. Add your email address or phone number. A 6-digit code will be sent to your email. After then, you verified using your email. You enter your name, your surname, your address in order to set up your account. If you find this video helpful, click and subscribe to our channel. Until then, bye.